My mother-in-law used to make the best chicken casserole, and I'm going to show you how she did it. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to make a chicken casserole that my mother-in-law used to make. She was requested to make this a lot when she was at work, when they would have parties and such. So it's not hard and it's very delicious. So if you like content and recipes like this, please hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up, ring that bell, and hit all so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And make sure that you comment and tell me what you think. So without further ado, let's get started. This recipe calls for 4 chicken breasts, cooked. And you can cook them any which way you want, but I'm just going to do mine in the Instant Pot. And these are fairly small, so I'm just going to do 5 of these since they are just the boneless cut. So I'll put those 5 in my Instant Pot. I want to cover them with some salt. You can season them however you want. But I'm going to use some salt and pepper. And I think I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder. And then just add a cup of water. Now if your chicken breasts or boneless chicken breasts are thawed, it would only take about 8 minutes. But since mine are frozen, I'm going to do mine for 12. So all I want to do is hit my manual button, go up to 12, and let it come to pressure, and then it'll cook for the 12 minutes. So I'll be back. Now this recipe only has a few ingredients. It's got the chicken breast, and it's got a package of sour cream, which is a cup, and it's got 2½ sleeves of Ritz crackers, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, and that's it. Oh, and you've got your 3/4 stick of butter. So what I'm going to do now while I'm waiting for my chicken to cook is I'm going to go ahead and get my crackers ready. And all you have to do is just crumble them up. You find in the South there's a lot of casseroles with Ritz crackers on top or breadcrumbs or cheese. So good. My mother-in-law made this one time for work, and then they started asking her to bring 2. It is really good and it's simple. And I'm sure if you wanted to add like mixed vegetables or something to it, you could, but that's not the way the original recipe went. Alright, get my butter. This is 3/4 of a stick of butter, or 6 tablespoons, and you just mix that butter and the cracker crumbs together. You can smell the butter and the cracker crumbs are mixing. Get my mixed up. Cup of sour cream. been blessed. I was born in a family of good cooks. Both of my grandmothers were excellent cooks. My great-grandmothers, my mom. Until I was in college, I didn't know that that women didn't cook. All our families did. That's just part of loving folks in the South. And then I married into a family that had great cooks. My mother-in-law was an excellent cook. Her daughters, my sister-in-law. In fact, my mother-in-law worked in a school cafeteria. Believe you me, that was some hard work. She would be exhausted. Now I'm just going to mix this together and have it ready for when my chicken's done. Like I say, you can boil your chicken, bake it, whatever you can probably get a rotisserie chicken. That would be good. I think I've done that before. And now we're just waiting on the chicken to cook. And I'm going to go ahead and add, you want to put half of these cracker crumbs in the bottom of your dish. And I sprayed my dish. Although it probably wouldn't need it, but I did spray it. And we'll be back when the chicken's done. All right, my chicken's done. I just let it I just let the steam out naturally since I have time. Got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And now I'm just shredding the chicken. And see, it's so nice and tender. And one thing I love about the Instant Pot is it doesn't wash out the flavor like some boiling can do, especially for the chicken breast, because it gets so dry. But all that flavor just cooks right in there. Get this shredded. Put it in the bowl with the soup and sour cream. Just mix it in. Over the top. And this is a good size casserole dish, so it makes a good bit. And you can use more Ritz crackers if you want to. I think my mother-in-law's recipe did use the 2.5 on the bottom and then a sleeve on top that you just put butter around. I got it mixed up, but I think we've got plenty. Just sprinkle that over the top. It's already got the butter melted in there. And we just want to cook it for about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven. You just want it to be kind of bubbly. So we'll be back. Here it is. I cooked it for about 15 minutes. It was boiling on the edges, and you don't want to get your crackers too burnt. They're just nice and toasted. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring the bell, give me a big thumbs up, and also comment and tell me what you think. None of this costs you anything and it helps my channel to grow. So until next time, bye y'all.